Hi guys, if your headlights are a little bit foggy or yellowish color and looks like a little bit tired, I recommend use the Autoglym car polish paste, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do and how you can do in easy. Actually you can do it in 1 minute, just restore your headlights. We need a tape, we need a polish machine, or you can actually use by hand. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna protect the car paint from any further scratches if you will try to polish the headlights. Alright, once we will protect the car body paint from any further scratches, we're gonna use a machine and paste. Let's shake very well this paste and pour some on the pad. How you can see, I'm not using so much and just a little bit spread around on the pad just to get a better attachable surface. And on the speed number 2 is quite low, and we're gonna polish your headlights. Okay, and now you can see we've been polishing the surface about seconds 15, maybe maximum 20. And if you look on the paste, you can see how it's dirty. It's become really dirty. It takes all this top surface from the headlights and pouring out on the paste. All you need to do now is just to wipe it. And after, you'll find out how actually it's easy to polish headlights, and it's become really stunning and beautiful, almost like brand new. Of course there's some deeper scratches which can be take off with another paste or some with the sandpaper sanding all the way all the headlights, but if you had the foggy ones or yellow color, I really recommend use this magical stuff. You can polish as well the windshield if you need it, and it's give really clear crystal look, and you can see really nice job. That's what you need to do, guys. Only 15 seconds or maximum 20 seconds and your headlight is like brand new almost. Thank you for the video and I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe and press the button like. Thank you.